Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to make roasted garlic in the air fryer. Once the roasted garlic is done, we'll go over how to store it, how long it will keep, and a few examples of how you can use it in other dishes. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing that we have to do before we put it in the air fryer is take the papery kind of outermost layers off of the peel. I'll fast forward so you guys don't have to sit through this whole thing. Okay, so now both of these are done. As you can see, still intact though. Now what we're gonna do, take your knife and you're gonna cut off just a little bit off the top. Just enough to open these guys up, basically. I'll show the camera what it looks like. Okay, so just a little bit. Now opening the peel like that, that's gonna allow the hot air to circulate around in there and do a better job of roasting the garlic. Also, it's gonna make it easy to get the garlic out of the peel. Normally we'd have to peel all this by hand, but if you just roast it in the peel, you can kind of just squeeze the garlic out afterwards. Saves us a lot of time. All right, so let's go ahead and do this one now. Okay, excellent. 2 heads of garlic ready to go in the air fryer. All right, now we're just gonna set our heads of garlic into our air fryer basket here. And we're gonna do this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. I usually go the full 25. Hey Emma, while we're waiting for the garlic to cook, why don't you explain to our viewers the benefits of roasting garlic and also just the benefits of garlic in general?
All right, Christopher. Always seeking to enlighten our viewers, aren't we? Well, let's delve into the wonders of roasted garlic, shall we? First off, roasting garlic transforms its pungent bite into a sweet, mellow, almost buttery flavor. It's a culinary magic trick, really. The heat coaxes out the natural sugars, caramelizing them into a symphony of deliciousness. Now, as for the health benefits, garlic, in its raw or roasted form, is a veritable powerhouse of goodness. It's packed with antioxidants, which are like tiny superheroes fighting off those pesky free radicals. It's also known to boost the immune system, lower blood pressure, and even reduce cholesterol. And let's not forget its anti-inflammatory properties. It's practically a natural remedy in a bulb. But here's the real kicker. Roasting garlic doesn't diminish these benefits. In fact, some studies suggest that roasting can even enhance certain antioxidant activities. So not only does it taste heavenly, but it's also doing wonders for your well-being.
All right, these guys are all done. We're gonna pop this open. Looks good, as you can see. Now we're gonna let these cool off before we try to get the garlic out of the peels. All right, so here's what the roasted garlic looks like out of the air fryer, and I did it for the full 25 minutes. I'm just letting it cool down just a little bit more before I pop it out of the peel. Let's go ahead and pop a few cloves out now. See what it looks like. And you can see they come out nice and easy. There it is, all of the roasted garlic finally out of the peel. Now, before we go over the storage methods and shelf life, let's quickly touch on a few ways that this roasted garlic can be used. You can use this roasted garlic in hummus and dips. For example, you can make a roasted garlic black bean dip, marinades, sauces. I'm gonna be using some of this roasted garlic to make a teriyaki sauce that I'm gonna be using for a stir fry next week. It can be used as a pizza topping. You can use it in soups, add it to mashed potatoes. You can also use it to infuse oils and vinegars, just a lot of different stuff that you can do with it. So now that we know what we can make with it, let's talk about how to store the roasted garlic. You can store the roasted garlic as whole cloves, a paste, or even a puree. All right, so the first option for storing the roasted garlic is refrigeration. The garlic will keep its best quality for up to a week. It's going to be safe to eat out of the fridge for up to 2 weeks, but after the first week, the flavor and aroma will start to decline. Second storage option is going to be freezing. You can freeze the roasted garlic for 2 to 3 months. I've read that it's actually fine out of the freezer for as far out as 10 months, but I can't confirm that myself at this point. I can say that I have some garlic in my freezer right now from November of last year, so that's about 5 months old, and it's perfectly fine. I use it all the time. All right, before we close this video out, I just want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, new and old. Sincerely, a big thank you from me to you for helping us reach 1,000 subscribers. We're thinking about doing a giveaway for 2,000 subscribers, probably a gift card to an online retailer or something like that. More on that later. Also, these last 2 weeks have been super crazy and it's been hard to get new content posted as quickly as I would like. I'll have the details on all of the craziness in our next video. To give you the short gist of it though, we're moving to Toronto. That does it for this video. If you had a good time watching, there's plenty more to come. Be sure to grab that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.
Hey there! Pat yourself on the back for making it this far into Chris's video. These vlogs of his can get pretty lengthy sometimes. Anyway, don't forget to like this video and please click the subscribe button. It's always free and it is the best way to support content creators like Chris the plant-based runner. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, safe travels.